Laitkam byllai ha kitna Trei Kam Sorkar Meghalaya pat kiwei pat menyapat kehadiran goi pat ngi ihne kedan hapok state resources disability of center disability affairs civil hospital Shillong nata SFF hapok aikar atari yam Ribha district nata matron hapok jawar na budaya budaya mouth Phaplang Hatli hapok district social welfare East Kasihel district katrik haduk gadai kan rutarik penai Jun arachar arpusan Tung japat bahaya kani ka advertisement kani jempentip Laitkam departmental selection under the mission Vatsalya Child Protection Service East Kasihels invites application from eligible candidates who are citizens of India for the following posts on purely contractual basis in various childcare institutions Maukasiang, New Shillong, East Kasihel district. Kini kita jakah kam bantrai hapo child care institution Maukasiang New Shillong East Kasihel district. Para medical staff koi kapos arpulai dalai penyostan katway hajar kendai sepak country jing siuman penai kipan JNM 3 years experience child welfare activities having knowledge in computer operation and counseling skills. Jakarta kadai special home girls Maukasiang New Shillong nata PT instructor kam trainer arpulai dalai penyostan lai teliki pos po hajar jing si diploma in physical education and yoga training 2 years experience related field observation home girls Maukasiang New Shillong the special home boys Maukasiang New Shillong place of safety girls Maukasiang New Shillong book arpulai dalai penyau goi kapos kendai hajar kendai sepak lai pau natadan house father arpulai dalai penyostan goi kapos po hajar kajing siu the class 10 with diploma in hostel management kadai namta cup cook the graduate in the stream for organized institution diploma in housekeeping kadai namta kam house father 2 years experience related field the must have 2 years experience related field namta house father special home boys Maukasiang New Shillong namta cook special home boys Maukasiang New Shillong kadang sa kaway kanda dim South Lihang ni kadang sa kaway Sun Badbandri unda Sun art and craft kam music teacher arpulai la penyusnam kaway kapos khatway hajar kandai spak country panjik siman panai diploma visual art from recognized institution degree or diploma in music or diploma in sculpture ceramic paper craft and woodcraft from recognized institution 1 year or experience rated fee in the place of safety New Maukasiang. Assistant come data entry operator applied on a penyusnam kawai kapos way hajar kandai spak country which is siman panai 12 pass kipan the weightage of work experience candidate juvenile justice board East Kasihel district kanika kam ka posting kadai assistant come data di hapo justice juvenile justice board tarik khadu kadai khandriu tarik benai Jun acara pusan Poi application for district social welfare officer Lower Lachumir near abandoned warehouse Shillong 793001 kita jing peta na banta kumaban pendap application form kumaban pentok envelope kenal tarik kado kadai country tarik penai Jun acara pusan ngin japat sakane kawai pat kadai ka po state resources center disability affairs civil hospital Shillong katarik kado kadai kasan tarik benai banriu aracar pusan ini dapat support ki kam ayu ke balai office of this project director and state coordinator SSIRPD state resource center on disability affairs civil hospital Shillong application invited from the level candidates who are citizens of India for the recruitment of the following posts on contractual basis. The post is purely temporary on contractual basis for a period of 1 year and extendable on the review and certificate of performance. Human resource manager MBA resource management from recognized institution kawai kapos minimum 3 to 4 years relevant HR experience in professional organizational setting with preferred skills. Kajing siu ar prahaja kandai spak sapu ar man panai office of the state resource center on disability affairs civil hospital Shillong the place of posting. The recruitment onboarding procedures drafting job description and HR policies interacting with external consultants and agencies preparing contract extension letters office orders and internal notices, managing employee performance reviews, payroll management and compliance, leave and attendance tracking and administration. Kinediki experience pakipanam takanika posts. Tekan mau tarik kaduk kadai kan riu tarik nata pihak pendap link baka Google Form. Bapin yok nang taka www.macsrcda.in. Tarik kaduk kadai kasan tarik naik Jun nata live penyusna bika CST nata live arsna baki general. The list of eligible and considerable candidates will be displayed on the website of the undersigned on 17. Igno Basha Jid, kin sabu apa website megsrcda.in. Candidates kedai kinong song bo jongka Meghalaya. Tangki badai na song Meghalaya kelaban tapi nega post. Tanang ta Laitkam Senior Research Fellow apa ICAR Atari Yam Ribhoi District Meghalaya. Tarik kaduk kadikat pra tarik Brian June acara pusan. Eligible candidates the ICAR Agricultural Technology Application Research Institute Zone 7 Yam. Eligible candidates are invited for a walk-in interview for the ring post to be held tentatively on 27th June 2025 committee room of ICAR Zone 7 Umyam. The candidates are required to fill up the Google form for the application to be accepted with the following link. Google form. The scanned copy of biodata and self-attested certificate mark sheet should be also sent to the email. Post. Kajing Siulai HR plus HRA. Master degree in Agricultural Science, Animal Science, Allied Science from a recognized agricultural university. Age limit like person snam, snakib shinrang, suppose some yakikan thai. 2 years working experience as SRF project assistant in the agricultural research and development projects, working knowledge of MS Office application, IT tools for design, expertise in statistics for analysis. General terms and conditions applicable to the posts. Kini di terms and condition bagi post ke ba pihak penbiang ne pihak kin adjektif kini dari adjektif apa ni nam tak post kita buat lengkam kadang non kati EDA kita buat lengkam pihak penbiang kan no objection to certificate no tarik kado pak ya ka online application kada ikat pratik blind review ara cara pesan ngin japait sakan gawai pat ke kam matron hapo Jawar Nabodaya Vidyalaya Mauplang East Khasi Hills District. Office Jawar Nabodaya Vidyalaya Mauplang East Khasi invites a work interview for the eligible candidates for the post of matron purely on contractual basis to take care of girl students of the Vidyalaya. Wages will be as per the rates fixed by the central government or the state government, whichever is higher. The interview will be held on 23rd June 2025. Interview kadai haka arpulai tarik na June office of Vidyalaya principal. Class 10 kipan, however higher educational qualification may be given preference in engagement. La kham he class kin ai kham jing syajit khambun phila ban syajit kalat ban syajit khambun ta contractual kadai ta shi post nai lai pusan snam maximum age kadai san pusan snam ta ke khot yaki kan thai ki bala da poi kha poi man widows and divorcees ta lai tali ki number. BSc is in optometry, contact NIPMT Shillong, and then kon ikai BSc in optometry. Ta la court application na kabanta ka post LA and AABP location Jail Road, Marriott Hotel 4th floor, qualification class 12 above age 27 years above plus salary plus incentives. Contact pra arsan kandai kandanri we ar kandai. Ta vacancy in Shillong, chief consultant in life planning officer, graduate in a discipline ki khotang namdai kim thai. Arpwa Islam Sejrong should have a personal vehicle or means to commute. Laipula Hajar agency manumpanai plus incentives, minimum 1 year experience in the insurance industry. Dari bakado ban apply lang baka Google form kada ikan tarik menai June acara perusahaan. Nam tadi bekhamne pila panik mi hapo DECT Building Keating Road Shillong 79300001. Maka Laitkam kam ba lapan mi penmenalang baka Divisional Employment Exchange Shillong. Takin lagi top ke bang ngidon pembenahan ke video. Bless you.